So I'm going to show you how to cut okra fast with hands. If you want your okra to look like this, how to cut it very fast without wasting of time, watch and learn. So first, you gather your okra like this. Depending on how many you want to cut at the same time, you can go as high as 10, it depends. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can go as high as 10. See, like this. You place it like this in your chopping board. Okay. Yeah, just like this. Then with your knife, okay, easy. See, fast. This is very easy compared to going one after the other. This will take a lot of time to cut.